Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. This is a dialogue between a taxi driver and a passenger. Welcome to Kola Cab, sir. Where are you going now? I have to go to Central Station. Where are you from, sir? I am from Vijayawada. I have to catch the Howrah Express. Don't worry, you have enough time. How far is the Central Station from here? It's 20 kilometers. We shall reach within 30 minutes. Do you have any other business on the way? Yes. Please stop at Agarwal Sweets. I have to get some sweets. Do you have any luggage with you, sir? I have only a suitcase. I will keep it with me. How much is your charge? This is a company cab, sir. The meter will tell you. It shows rupees 150. I give 50 more for your tea. Thank you very much, sir. This is my visiting card. Keep it. So here, Kola Cab is the name of the company running the taxis or cabs. Then, where are you going? Where? Then, where are you from, sir? I have to catch Howrah Express. Don't worry, you have enough time. See, this word should be pronounced as enough. Enough time. How far is the Central Station from here? To know the distance between two places, we use the question word how far. How far is the Central Station from here? It's 20 kilometers. We shall reach within 30 minutes. Do you have any other business on the way? Please note here, this yes in the word business must be pronounced as Z. Busyness. Busyness. The same way, way is wrong. Way is the correct pronunciation. And then, yes, please stop at is missing here, at Agarwal Sweets. I have to get some sweets. I have to get. See, I have to get. All the four words must be clubbed together while pronouncing. I have to get. Then, do you have any luggage? Luggage. I tell you the rule. The words ending with AGE must be pronounced as ij, luggage, carriage, marriage, village. Do you have any luggage with you, sir? I have only. Don't say only, wrong. I have only a suitcase. And how much? How much is your charge? How much is your charge? You know? And then the meter will tell you. There will be a meter in the taxi and it will show the taxi charges automatically. Then it shows 150. I give 50 more for your tea. See, he is giving the tips to the taxi driver. So 50 rupees more he gives to him. Thank you very much, sir. This is my visiting card. Keep it. Thank you.